How to request money on the Monzo Bank app. If you would like to request money on Monzo Bank app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Monzo Bank application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is after you are logged in, you simply have to go to this section that says payments from the bottom right. Once you go to the payment option, on the next page you'll find your personal account details to pay someone or request money. And since in this video we're trying to learn to request money, all you have to do is tap on this request money button there, and as you've done that, on the next page you'll be able to find and select a person from whom you'd like to request the money, enter the amount you'd like to request, and just confirm the changes. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then request money on the Monzo Bank app. If this video helped you, do make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.